the cause for dry skin? Of course, it could be weather, but a lot of people have dry skin even when the weather's warm and so sultry. So, what is the reason? Why is it that a person has dry skin?
Yeah, if you see the subject of microbiome, so we have around 50 or some people say 50, some people say 100, some people say 10, whatever. So certain amounts of trillions of cells which is made our whole unit as an individual. So for every cell you have 200 to 500 microorganisms depending on a person. Say suppose for every cell if you have 300 microorganism in your body, you can calculate if you are having 100 trillion cells, 100 into 300 trillion microorganisms are there in the body. If you say the size of it when you collect all of them together, it's about 1.5 liters. It is otherwise, if you want to talk it in terms of solid, it is the size of your liver. So these are called floras. So the maximum of it is in the GI tract, from the dental to the anus. The larger population. Every organ has had its own floras. Okay, the brain has its own flora, the liver has its own flora, the gut has its own flora, like that. The lung has also its own flora, whatever. So now the second largest population of microorganisms in the body is the skin.
Right.
Skin is maximum pumped up with huge amount of microorganisms. Your skin is maybe other than more than the cells or more of microorganisms. Okay? They play a lot of role. They play a lot of balance for you to keep a healthy skin. It's very important. Okay, that is why some amount of skin flora should go into your stomach. That's why in ancients were so clever, they used to eat their food using their fingers, their hand.
Right.
So by eating with spoon and fork, where your skin is not coming in contact with your food, the skin cells are not going to go inside your system at all. This is one. Now your question is, this is the basic understanding I want you to have it. Now your question is the dryness of the skin. Okay. So that one of the major areas what I notice is the soap and the shampoo. Soaps are normally made with sodium hydroxide. They are caustic soda, they call the lye. Liquid soaps are made with potassium hydroxide, they are also lye. These both are not good for us. Plus, you cannot use good quality oil which is going to cost you a lot of money. So we use tallow, TALLOW, the fat which is converted into oil harvested from the animal kingdom, because we grow so much of bulls for beef. It's a huge industry all around the world, and huge amount of exports take place. These fat accumulation of these bulls by overfeeding with GMOs. You know what is GMOs, right? The genetically modified organics.
Yeah.
They grow so much of corn and other things by GMO. GMO gives you larger yield, and with a lot of hormones, growth hormones, these bulls are being fed, so they grow very big and very fast for better yield of flesh for our business endeavor. So what happens is the accumulation of fat in such huge large bulls are converted into tallow, and then that's sold to the soap industry. So every day when you get up and go for your bath, you are rubbing yourself with beef fat and sodium hydroxide. You know that?
Yeah.
You can't help it. So that doesn't mean I'm asking you to make your own soap at home. You have no choice there. So the shampoo is also the same thing, and there are frothing agents are also there. There are other chemicals. Let us not talk about it now. So now what happens is things like laureth and sodium hydroxides and all these things, along with the fat component of the beef, which is called the tallow. All these things, one of the major reason for dryness It doesn't happen in all the people. Where people start some kind of imbalance in the microbial system of the skin, and these agents do not help us. They tend to dry up your skin very fast. There is one more reason is also found. There are a lot of people who feel after 30, 35 years, 40 years, their feet gets dried up very fast.
Yeah.
When your feet
So
gets when your feet gets dried up very fast, you can understand one thing: you are not drinking enough water. So you carefully calculate your drinking water pattern of the day, which is easily traceable from your memory, and then if you drink two big glasses, large glasses of 250 ml, 500 ml of water additional, the dryness of the feet can be eliminated within 3 weeks.
okay.
So you're running short of water there. The consumption of water is not enough. This one thing which I would like to tell you. So basically our environment, our polluted environment, our chemical based soaps and shampoo, the imbalance of microorganisms of the skin due to your food and nutrition and other lifestyle leads to a lot of dryness. At that time, if you can avoid soap and shampoo for a period of time, go for the conventional powders like moong dal powder and all that, and start using them instead of soap, and drinking the required water intake. All those things, you can eliminate this dryness of the skin. Okay.